In this video, I will be showing you Runway ML new feature called Motion Brush. It's amazing what you can do with it, and this tool is set to revolutionize how we bring still images to life. So let's dive in. First things first, let's get you to the right place. Head over to your search engine and type in Runway ML. As you search, you'll notice various results, but what we're looking for is the official Runway ML website. It should be among the top results. Click on it to begin your creative journey. If you're new to Runway ML, you'll need to create an account. You have several options, including Google, Apple, and the traditional email sign-up. I personally recommend signing up with Google for its ease and quick access, but feel free to choose what works best for you. Once logged in, you'll find yourself in a playground of digital creativity. The interface is user-friendly and offers a variety of options. You can start projects with images or text, explore tools for text generation, image-to-video conversions, or even background removals. For today, we'll focus on the image-to-video feature. Click on the vibrant pink Start with Image button. Here you have the flexibility to either upload or drag and drop an image of your choice. Watch as it uploads seamlessly. The highlight of our journey is the Motion Brush feature. It's a groundbreaking tool allowing you to animate specific parts of your image. The feature has 3 key settings: horizontal, vertical, and proximity. For horizontal movement, slide the control to the left or right, depending on the direction you want the animation to move. For vertical movement, slide upwards for ascent and downwards for descent. Proximity relates to the closeness of the motion effect. For our first attempt, let's animate a sci-fi scene. Select the area you wish to animate. Maybe it's a spaceship or an alien's arm. Remember, if you make a mistake, the eraser tool is there to help. Adjust the sliders for horizontal and vertical movements as per your vision, and tweak the proximity for the desired effect. In our example, I'm not going to move the selected part horizontally or vertically, so I'll keep the sliders at 0.0. For proximity, I'll adjust it slightly to the right for a subtle effect and then save it. Next, let's add some cinematic flair with camera motion. Choose from various options like zoom, pan, or rotate. For our alien scene, a slow zoom out creates an epic feel, as if we're observing from a distance. Set the speed, save, and then add a title that captures the essence of your scene, like Intergalactic Confrontation. Hit Generate and wait as Runway ML works its magic. Once our video is ready, you'll notice the spaceships moving, lightning effects indicating a battle, and subtle movements of the aliens. The hero in the center remains still, adding contrast to the dynamic surroundings. The helicopter flies with flashes of light, enhancing the action scene. Now let's try the Motion Brush on another image. Click Start with Image, upload a file, and select an image. After uploading, select the Motion Brush tool. In this example, I'll brush over the woman's hair to animate it. Adjust the horizontal, vertical, and proximity options as needed, then save. If you wish to add camera motion, select the appropriate option. Save and hit Generate. Once the process is complete, let's view our creation. The selected hairs move beautifully, complemented by the camera motion, resulting in a perfect visual experience. Once you're satisfied with your creation, you can easily download the video by clicking the download option. Share it on social media, use it in your projects, or just admire your own creative prowess.